Welcome to this video where I will show you how AI can help in building a successful business. We have created a hypothetical business model for a hyperlocal AI-powered repair and maintenance service. This business connects homeowners, renters, and vehicle owners using AI technology. Now, I will walk you through every step from business model creation to advertisement. Let's get started. First, you need to go ChatGPT and enter the prompt like this. I want to create a hypothetical business model for a service called as Hyperlocal AI Powered Repair and Maintenance Services. I want you to give me a completely feasible business model for this service, and it should include all the aspects that are present in the model. This is the prompt I entered to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT gave me an overview. See, it has provided all the necessities required for the building a business model. Next, after this, I again given ChatGPT another prompt, that is, for the same business model, I want you to create a buyer persona. Basically, buyer persona helps us understand our ideal customer, their pain points, preferences, and behaviors. This allows us to tailor our marketing, improve our services, and communicate effectively with our target audience. So, now I asked this for the ChatGPT and it given me a buyer persona. So now let us visualize this with the help of Canva. To save time, I already made a buyer persona. Let us have a look. So based on the content given by ChatGPT, I prepared this buyer persona. Okay. Now let us go back to the ChatGPT. Sorry. Oh. So now using Canva, I prepared a buyer persona, and again I given ChatGPT a prompt that I want you to give a complete analysis for the buyer journey for these services. I need a complete analysis for this. Also define their pain points. So now ChatGPT given this to me. So all the information given by ChatGPT. Now let us visualize this thing using again Canva. So I created an empathy map for these points. Basically, empathy map is important to help business to step into customer shoes. Actually, it provides deeper insights into customer emotions, motivations, and frustrations. This helps us refine our services to ensure a smooth, satisfying experience for users. So, with the help of with the help of Canva, I created an empathy map. See, this is the empathy map. Now Let us again go back for the chat GPT, and I again given another prompt. So this is I again given the another prompt of buyer journey, I mean customer journey, and with the help of Canva I again made the customer journey. See, this is the customer journey. Basically it will helps in positioning. Why position is important? Because it ensures that our brand stands out in the minds of customers by highlighting what makes us unique and valuable. So this is the um, positioning analysis. Now the next important step is to reach to the customers. So for this, advertisement plays an important role. So for advertisement also we can prepare advertisement through AI. So for this I've taken an AI tool called AI Video, in Video AI. This is the in-video AI, and here first of all you need to log in, and later you need to give a prompt. So I given a prompt like create a 30-second video ad showcasing a homeowner struggling with a broken air conditioner. The homeowner uses a hyperlocal AI powered repair app to find an affordable technician in real time. Show the app interface with live tracking, instant pricing, and verified technicians. The technician arrives promptly, fixes the issue, and the customer smiles. Basically, this is the prompt I given to a chat GPT. No, sorry, in video AI. And here, as you are seeing, there is an option called generate video. So, click on this generate video. Later, basically it takes some time, so I already created one. I will show you later. So for this you can also add music, background music for uploading in YouTube, to not to have any copyrights issue. So for this there is another tool called Suno AI. So I next go for Suno AI, and here same as we did earlier, we need to do give a prompt what are your requirements. So base for this I given a prompt like create an uplifting and engaging background track that starts with a subtle. Basically this is a prompt I given to Suno AI, and it provide me these options. So these are all the options it provided me. And finally, with all these AI tools I prepared an video, that is this.
Heading another sweltering night, Fixies has you covered. Broken AC on a scorching day? We've all been there. But with our Hyperlocal AI-Powered Repair app, relief is just a tap away. Find nearby verified technicians instantly. Get real-time availability, transparent pricing, and live service tracking. Plus, our AI suggests quick fixes before the flames arrive. In minutes, your home's cool again. Stay chill with Fixies. Fast, reliable, affordable. Get instant repairs on your fingertips.
So that's how AI can help build a business from scratch. We use AI for model creation, next advertisement creation, and music generation. We hope this helped you to understand the power of AI in business. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe for more such content. See you in next video. Bye bye.